Hello everyone, this is Richard from Access Data. In this session, we'll talk about the chat widget in Quincy interface. The chat widget is used to communicate between different investigators. First, let's open the chat widget. This is how the chat widget looks like. We have three tabs here: chats, announcements, and images. On the chats, you can see all those existing topics. You can select any one of them. After you have selected any topic, you can see the contents within that topic. If you want to add any comments to those chats, you can type in your response here. You can just say, I can help if you need. And then you can send. It will be under your username as user1, or you can make this anonymous. So we'll talk about the chats tab first. On the chats tab, you can see the subject list, and you can select any topic from this list. After you have selected any of the topic, the content, the details will be shown on the right side. And you can post new messages, and you can post new messages related to this topic. You can just type in what you want to write. You can write the message. You can write the message. And then send this message. Okay, then you can see it will be under your username. As you can see right now, we have login as user1, and this message has been posted by user1. You can also make this anonymous if you don't want anyone to know that you have posted this message. Okay, then we check this box and send. Okay, so right now on the chat list, it will be shown as anonymous. You can also choose to start a new subject. You just select this drop-down list and then select this new subject. You can type in your new subject here. And then you can specify if you want this chat to be public or to a specific case. You can also make this anonymous if you want. And then you can type in your chat details here. After this, just click send. You can see the new chat you have just posted. So you can see this, we have just posted this message and it will be shown in this list right away. So the reason why it's shown here right away is because we have an option here, polling is on. If you turn on this option, then Quincy will try to refresh the topic list. Whenever there is some new message has been posted, it will be shown here. So if you don't want this to refresh automatically, you can turn off these features, and then you'll just click that button, and then it will be shown polling is off. So whenever you want to check new messages, you need to manually refresh the topic list. The refresh button is on the upper right corner here. Okay, we switch to announcements. Announcements is where you can make any announcements to your team. Before we write any new announcements, we switch to the third tab here, images. Images is where you can customize your avatar when you send any announcements. You can choose your avatar here, and then you can see the preview, and then save. And then we switch to the announcements tab. You can type in your announcement name here. You can specify the date and time for this announcements. And you can select who you want to announce this to. You can also select announce this to a specific groups or any specific roles or any specific cases. And then you can write down your announcement details here. Then click send button. Your announcement has been sent. And then you can scroll down, you can see your announcements here. So when user 1 and user 2 log in, they go to announcements, they can see this announcements here. Okay, that's all for the chat widget. Thanks for watching. See you next time.